We felt a much cooler day here in the Coachella Valley. Temperatures right now 100 degrees for Palm Desert, but in the 90s for the rest of us, and up on the high desert 82 degrees for Yucca Valley. Same thing over in Desert Hot Springs, and 70s in Banning and Beaumont. As for those dew points, 36 in Palm Desert right now, a 50 in La Quinta, so a little bit more elevated in La Quinta, but in the 40s, so we are on the drier side. Above 50 for areas of the high desert, Desert Hot Springs, and Yucca Valley, as well as over in Banning and Beaumont. Now, the reason that we've been experiencing this cool down as well as the areas of gusty winds are because of this trough of low pressure to the north. And this moved in and we've been feeling those impacts. As for those winds, right now, gusts up to 52 miles per hour in Whitewater. On the high desert, 32 miles per hour for 29 Palms, 23 miles per hour over in Thermal. Now, those winds are going to be peaking later this evening. If we pause this around 9 o'clock this evening, 60-mile-an-hour gusts for the Tram, for Whitewater, also for areas like Yucca Valley, Desert Hot Springs, and above 50 miles per hour for 29 Palms as well, reaching that on the valley floor here, 50 miles per hour for Thermal, and nearing that in areas like Mecca and Indio, 33 miles per hour. 4,000 Palms. Now, those winds are going to be sticking with us. We are going to be breezy on Monday as well, and pausing around 8 a.m. we see gusts up to 31 miles per hour for the valley floor in Indio, 50 miles per hour for Yucca Valley and Desert Hot Springs, and still in the 60s for areas like Whitewater. Now, a wind advisory is in place for the areas shaded in this brown color here. And this is extending through 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Sustained winds expected 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour, as we saw in areas like Whitewater especially. A red flag warning also in place for areas of the high desert, shaded in pink here. That's through 11 p.m. tonight. So any fires that do spark up can spread very rapidly because of those gusty winds as well as the drier conditions. Now, the South Coast Air Quality Management District did also put in place a wind-blown dust advisory from blowing sand and dust, which could lead to unhealthy air quality, and this extends through Monday morning. As for tomorrow, those temperatures, they are going to be much cooler, in the 80s, close to 90 by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, with those breezy winds sticking around. Taking a look at your Comfort Air 7-day forecast, temperatures reaching as low as 93 for Monday. So we are really going to be feeling that drop in temperatures. 111 yesterday, 102 today, 93 for tomorrow, and then a slight warm up, but Saturday and Sunday, it's going to be back to close to that 110 mark by Sunday.
Got to make some outdoor plans for tomorrow. Why not?
Yeah, definitely take advantage of those double-digit days, because I don't know how many are left.
Not many,
for the summer,
if at all. All right.